Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and this is Doodle Dollars. I'm a single mom and teacher and I do cash budgeting to keep myself accountable with my finances. So today I'm going to be doing my cash stuffing, but before we do that, let's do some Happy Mail here that I got. So I believe this is Pen Pal mail. This is from Toria's Budgets. Okay, so we have some cute stickers. She says, "Hey Courtney, it's Christmas time." I hope you like everything. The paperclip is made differently, so let me know how this one holds up. Ooh, okay. The challenges go in this order: 2 freebie tinies, 2 freebie minis, Pen Pal exclusive, 2 minis available as member-only digitals and on Etsy. Okay, cool. I'm excited. Look at this cute wrapping paper. Santa Claus. All right, so it's got to be like this. Okay. So everything is freebies on Victoria's Ko-fi, so you can go check it out. I love this little snowman paper clip. Are you kidding me? This is adorable. Oh my gosh. So cool. I love it. Okay, that feels very sturdy. Okay, then we have this little hot cocoa cup with these marshmallow sticks. How cute. And this one with these gingerbread cookies. All right, so that's 2 freebies. Then we have 2 freebie minis. So this one has amounts for you to save with this little hedgehog. And this one is a roll and save for Christmas time. That's cute with the little wreaths. All right, then we have a Pen Pal exclusive. You must be Thanksgiving dinner. You're all I can think about. Nice. Okay, this is the Pen Pal exclusive one, I think. And then these two are member only digitals on Ko-fi and on Etsy. I love these little stockings. Oh my gosh. Those are adorable. And then this one as a roll and save. How cute. Then I bought some stuff from Budget with Amanda. And y'all, she sent me a ton. I mean, I ordered some stuff for my giveaway, which I'm so excited about. We hit 2,000 subscribers, you guys. We did it. So I'm going to wait until all of my stuff comes in for the giveaway, and I'm just going to do a massive giveaway video once I get everything. I think I'm waiting on 1 or 2 more items. I can't remember exactly. But I also signed up for Amanda's, so I'm not going to show you the items that I ordered because I want that to be a surprise until the video. But I also ordered or became a part of Amanda's Ko-fi membership. I think her middle level, if I'm not mistaken. So we have this, which is her member mail. She just went ahead and sent it to me for the month of November. So that's awesome. So we have these adorable minis. We have Merry Christmas with these Santa. Oh, this little snow globe. That's cute. Oh, and then these little snowmen and candy canes and sweaters. Oh, and they have different amounts. Okay, cool. So cute. Love that. Then we have this sled, and this is a Save 50 Plus little scratch off. Cute. Okay, so those are our member deals, or whatever they're called. And then she sent this cute little freebie. It's a little mini savings challenge, so that's cute. And then she sent me extras. So she said you can give away or use them. So let's see what's in here. I'm so excited. So I did order some Disney stuff. That's all I'll say. That's all I will say. I ordered some Disney stuff from Amanda. So you'll have to wait until the giveaway video to see. Okay, so we have, some Disney princesses. Okay, so we have Belle. And then we have Anna and Elsa. These are both Save 200s. Beautiful. Then we have, these are like little toddler ones. That's cute. Save 42 and Save 71. Okay, so different amounts. That's nice. Then we have Collect All the Bubbles. That's so cute. Okay, so this fish, Bubbles. That's what he says. And then let's see, are these different amounts? No, I think they're both the same amounts. Okay, cool. So I'll definitely have to give some of these away as well. Then we have these two. Cute but crashing out. Oh my gosh, that is literally so true. Okay. And these are the same. Okay, same amounts. I just like to double check. Oh my goodness, look! Save 80. Okay. A little scratch off for Christmas. That's cute. Little gingerbread man. I'm definitely gonna have to give some of these away, guys. Thank you for including two, so that way I don't have to make hard decisions, Amanda. Thank you. That was very thoughtful. Like, because literally, how could I decide? Like, because I want y'all to have cute stuff too, but also like selfishly, I want to keep stuff. And then this is little Christmas savings. That's awesome. Very cute. I'll have to use this in my Christmas binder, one of these, and of course give one away. So fun. Okay, and then there's more, guys. There's literally, she sent me so much stuff, you guys. She spoiled me rotten. I'm not even joking. Like, there's this too, which is also from Amanda. So this must, I don't know, is this pen pal mail? Maybe. Merry and Bright. Or maybe not. No, this is just Happy Mail. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh no, wait, did I already get Amanda's pen pal mail? I think I did. I can't remember, y'all. Literally, what is life? Okay, so this is just Happy Mail. Oh my gosh, Amanda. I'm literally so excited right now. Okay, we have a little reindeer scratch off. She says, oh, by the way, wishing you a magical Christmas, this card. So cute. Love that. Okay, we have a little reindeer, amounts 1 through 5. Grinch, of course, $60. That's what that saves. Okay. Then we have this one with this little house. Aw, that's sweet. Mickey and Minnie Christmas. This one saves $65. Okay, so she just said, I curated a small collection of items to share with amazing elves like you. Aw, I love this. Okay, that is so sweet, Amanda. How thoughtful. I love all this stuff, and I am so excited that I don't have to decide between these cute challenges with what I'm going to save for myself and what I'm going to give away. You made it easy for me. Thank you so much. And I will show you guys what I actually ordered from her later when I do the actual giveaway video, okay, because I don't want to spoil anything right now. So you'll have to come back for that, okay? Okay. But I will say I did order two, like when I ordered from her shop for the giveaway, I ordered one for like a set of something for a giveaway, and I ordered one for myself because I was like, how can I not? Like, how can I not use this myself? Okay, let's get into our cash stuffing, guys. I was not able to get to the bank to get this exact amount, so this was all in vain because I literally could not get to the bank today to get the exact amounts that I needed. So we're just going to kind of go by, you know, we'll see what we can do. Okay, this extra money is not really extra money. It's probably should go back to the bank, but I'm going to save it because it's just $3, and those little amounts like that, they just add up so quick, you know? So I'm going to save this in our month ahead. Where is that? I think it's in here. Yes. Okay. I am also finally reaching a point this week, like I said, where my Etsy store orders are winding down. I had 20 orders that I shipped out today. So that was a big day. But now it's like 5 orders tomorrow and then 3 the next day. So that's way more manageable for me, which is great. So we have $80 going in for groceries, 2468 for this week. Then we have $80 for dining out, 2468, and $30 for gas. So we'll grab a 20 and a 10. I'm trying to do this quick, guys, because I have Aria. She's eating and watching the show while I do this, so I'm trying to be quick with it. All right, then we have car insurance is getting $50. This is what it's been getting, and guys, last time, I don't know what day it was, my whole binder fell and it was unzipped, and so cash fell out, and I'm not sure what happened, but I'm just hoping that everything is in the right place and where it should be. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 420, 440, 60, 80, 5, 520, 540, 550, 55, 60, 1, 2, and 3. 563 for car insurance. That seems like too high. But you know what? It's okay. If we, like, I just put the money all back in here that had fallen out because I assumed that's where it came from. But if we had money from somewhere else that ended up in there, then we will, you know, we'll save this. Oh my gosh, what am I saying? This isn't due until April, I think. So if we hit our goal before then, you know, we'll stuff $50 into other envelopes. So I'm not too concerned about it. All right, then we're putting 10 into our cell phone fund. This is due in February and we have 110 in here. So we're doing good with that. We have 200, the bill is $210. And then for hair, I'm gonna stuff 15. And let's see, let's grab a 10 and a 5. Actually, let me condense this because, guys, I know I'm not going to have enough, what's it called? Smaller bills. All right, so that's hair, right? Yeah, okay. I'm going to set that to the side for now. Next, we're getting into our Sunday, like our savings challenge binders. So let's do Sunday. I'm just gonna grab 20s for this. It's $200 for Sunday. 24681, 24682. All this money goes towards paying off debt, so that's for that binder. Wednesday gets 120. I'm gonna do a similar, just 20s. So 24681, 20. All right, mini Monday gets 30. So let's do 10, 20, 30. And I will condense or like get the bills that I actually need. I'll get those, you know, throughout the week as I do my videos and stuff. All right, next we have my Tiny Tuesday and my Pen Pal binder. Tiny Tuesday is getting 25. Let's do 5, 10, 15. No. Let's just do 25 like this for now. 25, and then my Pen Pal binder is getting 80, so let's do 2, 4, 6, 80. There we go. So that's those two binders, and all of these are savings challenges that I do for different things. If you're new to my channel, you might not know, but I just save throughout the week. These are all the binders that I use. So then we have our festive Friday binder. That one's getting 50, and all of this money right now is going towards saving for Christmas. Oops, I pulled an extra 20. There we go. Okay, so 50 going into there, and that's it. Then we have sinking funds, which are getting 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, $30. And I'm not sure where I'm going to put this yet, so I'm going to put this on the side. I have other things to do first that I want to do first. So for my business expenses, or my business earnings, we made $664. We're going to take 30% of that, which is $200, and put it in taxes. So I have $200 bills right here, and we have $1,300 in the bank. So now we have $1,500 total. That doesn't seem right. I feel like some of our money that was in taxes is actually in car insurance, but I don't know how to figure that out because it all got mixed up, you guys. Then I take 20% to pay myself, so that's 132. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 20, 30, and we don't have ones, so I'm just gonna do 130 to pay myself. And then 150 for our box challenge day on Saturdays. This money goes towards my future business expenses or my retroactive pay for what I spent already that I didn't cover with the money that I already had. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 20, 40, and 50. So that's for our box challenge. Okay. Then we should have 182 left over. We're going to put 96 in our $100 envelope. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Let's just do 95, I guess, since we don't have ones. All right, so we'll cash stuff 95. making great progress with this, I feel like. I'm super excited. So we'll just skip 96 for now, but we have these 4 highest ones completed, which, yay, that's exciting. Okay, so that's that. 96 or 95 going to that. And then it says we have 86 left, but that is not correct. I'm not sure what happened there. We have $30 left plus the money that I pulled to pay myself. So whatever, it's fine. It is what it is. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 120, 130, 140, 50, 60. And I actually am gonna use this money to pay myself back for money that I spent this week, or last week. So when I did my cash pull, I didn't have money in my business envelope. So I actually need to pull this to go back to the bank, which I know it sounds weird to like pull money out and then like take this money and then put it right back into the bank. But guys, it's just what works for my brain. Sitting here and trying to figure all that out is just, it's hard for me. I don't know why. So it just helps to have the money actually in hand and then be like, okay, this is the money that's going back. So I don't know if that makes sense, but, and also I don't know what happened with my counting here. Something was off, or maybe I didn't add stuff up correctly on the other side, but it's okay. If we have extra in the bank, then it's just extra in our buffer, which is good because we do have sometimes stuff that comes up that's not planned for. So it's good to have extra in there. All right, with this $30 here, I'm gonna put some money in my self-care. So let me add $5 to this. So now we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55. I did pull money from this to like fund my prescription from Walgreens that I had to pick up last week. Let's put some stuff in entertainment. Let's put 10. I'm gonna go see a play with Aria tomorrow night, 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, and 3 at her school. It's the Frog and Toad play, which I'm pretty excited for. She's not in it. It's just, you know, she wants to go see it with me. So, all right, we're gonna stuff car maintenance because 2, 4, 50, 55, 60, 65. I'm just gonna put another 5 for 70 because I do need to get my oil changed probably this week. So I need money for that. Let's see what else. Gifts has 5. We're gonna leave that there. Let's see. Let me actually just put these last 2 5s in self-care because in case I want to go get my nails done this weekend. I don't know if that's enough. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. 65, I guess maybe like a basic set. It'll be like a little bit more than that with tip. So not bad, not bad. Okay. All right, that is that. And I think that that's it. I think we got everything. Well, we're all out of money. So, you know, even if we didn't get any, even if we missed something, well, there's nothing we can really do at this point. So, okay, so that's that for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye.